Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sudarshan from Hari Academy CACS CMA. Yes, as we have already announced, we have reached that 400 hours watch hours from our YouTube. So we are going to celebrate by giving a giveaway to our wonderful CA Foundation and CMA Intermediate students from our team of Hari Academy CACS CMA. So what is the giveaway we are going to give you? The giveaway is nothing but it is a mentorship program along with one full syllabus test series we are going to provide. The cost worth of 2500 is going to be completely free for those people. Okay, then I will slightly go through how we are going to plan it. We are going to plan it for two people. One is for CA Foundation students, next one is for CMA Intermediate students. We are planning for those to give away that for one particular group for CMA Inter, either at their choice, group 1 or group 2. Okay, how many members? That's a point here. As we are having to celebrate 4000 watch hours, we could not able to accommodate 4000 people and all. So for the thing, we are going to take 4 people from CA Foundation and 4 people from CMA Intermediate. Okay, CA Foundation for September 2024 examination, CMA Intermediate one group for December 2024 examination. This is what we are going to take it. This is a complete giveaway. We are going to provide it at free of cost. Okay, for this, kindly fill the Google form in the description below. Okay, in the description below we have given a one Google form. Before filling the Google form, kindly subscribe to our channel and follow our Insta page in the given below. In the description below, follow our Insta page. That winner will be announced on 1st July. That's how when we have started our YouTube channel. Okay, 1st July only we have started our YouTube channel. So of the last year we have started, this year we attain a mark of 4000 hours along with the monetization criteria we have attained it. To celebrate this, we are going to give this giveaway, and many of them are continually inquiring me for the batch announcement. What is a batch announcement? We are going to make it. The batch announcement is, we are already having that September 2024 batch students. So some of them are asking for September 2024 batch as they are writing their exams right now itself. So this is going to be a complete recorded classes, 2 months of complete coaching along with test series till the last date of your examination. Last day of your examination, we are going to guide you. Okay, this classes is going to be in completely in English language for CA Foundation is concerned. Okay, and CA Foundation Jan 2025 batch is also going on. Those who are interested, you can also join. It is a complete recorded session. This recorded session will be helpful for those who are going for a college goers, and we will give them with a live revision as well. 1 month before the examination, we will give the live revision. This is going to be your in English language. Then as far as CMA Intermediate December 24 is concerned, we are going to start with group 2 coaching, and we are going to complete in less than 3 months. July, August. Maximum we are trying our best efforts to complete before August, within 2 months, without your before your results dates. If not, maximum September 30. With complete test series, completely everything is going to be there. As of now, we are going with the online live classes for data analytics, for auditing. Okay, which is going to start from June 28 in 1 week time. What is the class language? What is the language we are going to use? This time for this batch we are going to use in Tamil with English. Okay, the next batch which we are going to announce soon after the response of data analytics and auditing classes, that batch will be on English batch. That is a pan India batch. We are going to launch it. As of now, the recorded classes is available for OM, MA and FM. These 3 papers that recorded classes is available. Okay, for SM, we are going to come up with the live batch soon. That is going to be an affordable cost only. Okay, those who want to join this program, join in our batch. We will give you a complete mentorship in this batch also. Past paper questions we will solve, everything we will do it. Then your name, your place, your mail ID, what is the course, CA Foundation or CMA Inter, what group, if it is a CMA Inter, whether group 1 or group 2, and attempt, which attempt you are going to do. December 24 attempt, some may you can started, or someone want to go for coaching for June 25, yes, you can still join for June 25 as well. That's a complete details of a auditing and data analytics course. It is a Zoom live, online Zoom live sessions for CMA Intermediate for December 2024 examination, paper 10 auditing and paper 11 data analytics. Paper 10 auditing will be taken by our faculty Uday Kumar, and paper 11B data analytics will be taken from our faculty who is a data analyst. Dangapandi will handle that paper data analytics. These two papers you are going to complete within a days of 10 days. That too less than 10 days, maximum 2 weeks, 14 days. You will complete this entire two paper and guarantee of 80 plus marks in your examination you complete within 10 days. Then see how much confidence you will get before your results itself. This is completely a regular classes, it is not a crash course, it is a regular classes. Okay, how the our learning program will be, it is an highly interactive, you can completely interact with the faculty. Then the hours of planning, minimum we are planning for 35 hours of auditing. If we go beyond 40 or 45 hours, we don't mind about the hours of learning itself. For data analytics, we are trying to complete within matter of 12 hours, and then practicing past paper question in the classroom itself, online class itself, you will be solving those papers, solving those tests and all. It will include 2 mock tests per subject. What is this mock test? Mock test is nothing but an auditing paper, you will write 2 mock tests. That auditing 10B alone you will write 2 mock tests. Paper 11B data analytics alone you will write 2 mock tests. That may be for 50 marks, that may be for 40 marks, that may be for 30 marks, depends upon the subject. We will go with that part. Then you will give a daily study targets, you will get it. Okay, daily whatever the session will be for 5 hours in a day, and then evening session, what do you need to study, how you need to study, everything, the daily targets will be provided through our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp community, we will provide you. It is a completely an affordable fees which we are planned to charge you. For more details you can WhatsApp us at 9043 971982. This is our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp with your name as we have already mentioned above. You can WhatsApp me. This class is going to be an English plus Tamil language. Again, I am telling it is a completely an affordable fees which you can complete 80 marks with the lesser than few thousands. That's what I can say you. You can just WhatsApp me for more details with your name, as I told you, with your name, place, email ID, course, group, and attempt. Wish you all the best. And the winner is going to be announced on 1st July for this giveaway. Kindly fill the Google form in the description below. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our